Trading is not just about the numbers. It is a battlefield where your emotions are often your greatest enemy. When the screen flashes red, the heart races. You click, you chase, and you lose yourself in the noise of the market. Every loss feels like a personal failure. The pressure mounts until it becomes a suffocating weight on your shoulders. Then comes the silence. The moment you realize that the chaos outside is just a reflection of the chaos within. Stop. Breathe. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It only rewards the cold, the calculated, and the patient. To conquer the charts, you must first conquer the mind. Control starts with a single, quiet realization. A new day begins. No noise, no ego, just a clean slate and a disciplined focus. You trade a plan, not price action. Rules become your shield. Risk management becomes your ultimate weapon. One trade, one setup. If the market doesn't give it to you, you wait. Patience is the ultimate edge. The market screams for your attention, but you remain still. You are no longer a slave to the candles. Profit is not a victory, and loss is not a defeat. They are both just data points in a long game. Day after day, you repeat the process. Consistency is the bridge between a gambler and a master. Slowly, the fog clears, the trend becomes your friend, and the numbers begin to tell a story of growth. Distractions will come. FOMO will whisper, but they no longer have power over a mind that is anchored. Your posture changes. Your breathing stabilizes. Success is no longer a wish. It's a systematic inevitability. The equity curve reflects your inner state, smooth, steady, and rising from the foundation of discipline. You have stepped out of the shadow of reactivity and into the light of professional mastery. Trading is no longer a struggle. It is a dance of discipline. You are finally the master of your journey.